A process as old as time.
Butter, half and half, salt and sugar.
Well, as old as 1916.
It's good eating.
For 106 years, the ladies of Grace First Lutheran Church in Bend have spent a week almost every year making Norwegian lefse, a potato bread delicacy.
We're not going out and harvesting our own raw potatoes anymore. That was a big undertaking.
Next month, they'll be sold to raise hundreds of dollars for a cause.
We use it to buy material. We make quilts for Lutheran World Action, disaster zones. They go all over the world.
A practice born from the Scandinavian mill workers who founded the church, now a tradition for many.
How many years have you been making lefse?
Oh, well, probably off and on for 50 years with my mother, who was 100% Norwegian.
Oh, probably 20 years ago. We hear all kinds of stories. That's what's fun about it.
I moved here to this church in '81, and I have a German background, but they've made a Scandinavian out of me.
This well-oiled machine of laughter and cheer churns out 2,500 lefses during the week.
She mixes all of this first, and then tomorrow, after she adds the flour, she'll have it in the rolls and then slice it. We try to get them out 14 inches.
Fry them in the pans at 500 degrees for just a few minutes.
It's got a little bit of brown.
And take them to the drying rack to be folded and saved for the big sale.
Even those things that we call rejects, those are the ones that are too crispy.
We eat right away.
We eat them.
A delicious conduit to carry on camaraderie and tradition.
This is something that, I love to do with my grandmother, my mom, and you want to pass it on and be able to continue to share it with your own children.
Carly Olson, Central Oregon Daily News.